Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a very important topic: which country bank is Capital One? I know, it's a pretty basic question, but I get asked it all the time, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of knowing which country bank your money is in. Importance of knowing which country bank your money is in. Your money is your livelihood. It's what you use to pay for your bills, buy food, and take care of your family. So, it's important to know that your money is safe and secure. One way to ensure that your money is safe is to make sure that it's in a bank that is regulated by a reputable government agency. In the United States, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, is the agency that insures bank deposits up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank, per ownership category. This means that if your bank is FDIC insured, your money is safe even if the bank fails. So, now that we know the importance of knowing which country bank your money is in, let's get back to the question at hand: which country bank is Capital One? Answer: Capital One is a United States-based bank. It is headquartered in McLean, Virginia. Capital One is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. This means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank, per ownership category. Additional information: Capital One is one of the largest banks in the United States. It offers a wide range of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. Capital One is also known for its innovative banking products and services. For example, Capital One was the first bank to offer a credit card with no annual fee. If you are looking for a safe and reliable bank, Capital One is a good choice. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I would also like to add that it is important to do your own research before choosing a bank. This includes reading reviews, comparing interest rates, and talking to other people about their experiences. I hope this video has given you a good starting point for your research.